This is a short video tutorial demonstrating how to activate developer options on a Redmi phones running Xiaomi's HyperOS 2 user interface. Don't worry, it's really straightforward. Just watch this video from start to finish, and you'll learn the easy method to activate these options on your Xiaomi device. First, open the settings menu on your phone. At the top, tap on the About Phone option, where you'll find your Redmi phone's specifications and various system-related settings. This section provides essential information about your device and allows you to access deeper configuration options. Look for the OS version entry and tap on it several times until you see a notification at the bottom that says, "You are now a developer." Once this pop-up appears, it means developer options have been successfully activated on your phone. Where is it located? Press the back button once, then scroll up and search for Additional Settings. Tap on this option to find the newly activated developer options. The Additional Settings menu contains various configurations that can enhance your phone's functionality and performance. On the Additional Settings page, scroll until you see Developer Options. Tap on it to access settings like DPI adjustment, USB Debugging activation, and other options, including turning off animations. These settings can help you personalize your phone experience and optimize its performance according to your preferences.